Hello, beautiful, light-filled souls. I am happy to be back on YouTube talking with you. It has been a while. I know that there are tons of concerns about AI, and I do not like it for writing. I work for an English department. We are you know, instructing students not to use it for writing. Can it be used for marketing? Can it be used in creative ways? Yes, I have just a love for music, and I understand that the music that I created would be much more beautiful and much more soulful if it was remade by an actual musician. But these are kind of like ideas I wanted to put out there. So many poems from, before my NDE all the way to the present. It's almost like the one obsession I can't let go of. If I'm processing something or something prophetic comes through, something, a shadow that I'm working with, I journal, I write poetry. This is what I do. I wanted to create something that addressed some of the shadows in society. My background is in graduate school is feminist poetics. So certainly June Jordan, many different writers who have talked about problems in the American society that we are seeing coming to a head. At the same time, I also know from a spiritual perspective that it is the good and the light that we create, the hope that we focus on in this world that's going to make a difference in our communities and in our world. But I'm not blind to what is going on. I'm not without being bullied by men in academia at my previous position for speaking out against male violence as a problem as we are seeing women's rights being taken away. As the Epstein files come out, many survivors are triggered by this. So there are some things you can say in music that you just can't say otherwise.
These strange undercurrents and rivalries originate from events which happened decades before my birth. And some happened when I was young and had to disassociate from the terror. The monster is always the man the women cater to the most. The only thing I did wrong was choosing to be born with a bright, independent spirit. And no matter how badly they wanted to beat it out of me and call God the devil, I continue to enjoy my life extravagantly, all the more despite what they thought and said about me.
So there is a reason that I turn to music. I think sometimes what is the most disconcerting is that the most religious of people can be the most abusive of people and hide behind that I am right mentality. And it is very damaging to the people who wake up to this. And so, as someone who has been the golden child and the scapegoat in the family, and definitely the scapegoat for quite some time, part of this is reclaiming my voice in a way that I couldn't, even in Angels in the OR, even in speaking directly. There's so much that I haven't said that I want to say, and sometimes you just have to say it in a song.
Yeah, you're gonna do what you do. Judge, judge, judge like it's something new. Miss the miracle, miss the truth over something small and really visible. I almost died, didn't you hear? But a tiny bit of ink on skin is your biggest fear.
But I am coming to an end because I know the environmental effects of AI. I myself have lived a very minimal lifestyle. And, one of my messages from the other side was remind them to go to nature. And this is not my home. This is a background that I clipped from, I think, Architectural Digest. It looks like one of my friends' homes, but my own home is very bohemian, posters on the walls. And I'd rather focus my time on having more free time, spending more time in nature, being outdoors. And I do value the earth, and nothing hurts me more than to think of our society and other societies not having reverence like indigenous people did for the water, the air, the land, the food that we eat. Beyond that, there's so much darkness that is coming to the surface, and I will just say this one thing. As a rape survivor in a foreign country, I understood immediately that undocumented women in this country faced horrors and rape and horrific treatment in ways that, I got a glimpse of living in a foreign country and probably far beyond anything I got a glimpse of. And many stories come out of the news and are quickly swept under the rug, but you have to just use your intuition. The women and teenagers and young girls who are separated and put aside, to be deported. There was one facility where they all ended up pregnant. All of them. All of them. That they were not around other men, and that this was due to the people who are running these facilities. Other people raped these girls, impregnated them. This is horrific that there is not more transparency around what is going on. Beyond this, many good people, my students' families are affected. Really wonderful people without criminal backgrounds are being taken out of communities where they were doing good and where they could have had a path to citizenship. There's a lot of horrors that are going on in our society, and I've held back and I don't want to talk about it because this is not my place to talk about these things. But I'm damn sure going to say it in one song, and I'm damn sure going to do this right before the 4th of July. I just know it doesn't feel right. Even if nothing dramatic happens on the 4th of July, this is not great. First of all, it's not great. And second of all, it's really embarrassing somehow that this is the celebration of our culture and our country. We are incredibly divided. I don't want to give energy to division, but I want to give energy to living in integrity and living in a way that is different from this, because this is not right. This energy is so completely wrong on so many levels, and it hurts me to my core. So there's numerous ways to be creative with AI, and I don't think that some of the creativity is wrong. I think that people will tell stories through movies in new ways. People will, through especially short films, people will use their own creativity and expression in ways that they may not have access to before. I don't have access to a musical studio. Great, fun experiment, and I don't regret it. And my footprint is still very low on this planet, very low. But healing is what Gen X and millennials had the opportunity to do. They had the opportunity to go into deep therapy, to work on themselves, to go, you know what? I'm not going to continue this madness. I'm just not going to contribute to this consumerism, to this way of life that I've had it. I've had it. And that's what my soul wanted to do. And I did it. I'll probably cut this. Maybe not. But that's why I made music. May you be blessed. And I would love it if you enjoyed some of the music. Here are some clips.
Love is all that matters. Even small kindness echoes. yourself free. We came into this world with the Milky Way in our eyes and magic in our fingertips. No empty spaces, no